Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So this is Michael FX here, and today on this video I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can spot liquidity. Okay, this is a beginner guide video, okay, so that you can actually know what is going on in the market, what is happening in the market. Now, what are liquidities? Okay, what are liquidities? Liquidities is where the money in the markets are sitting at. Okay, so if you can see this high right here, if you can see this high right here, so you can actually see this high right here, right? So this is actually a place where money is sitting at in the market. So liquidity is a place where money is sitting at in the market, where stop loss are placed and where buy or sell limits or buys or sell stops are placed in the market. So today I'll show you guys exactly how to spot them. What I'm actually going to do on this video is I'll be showing you guys how this can be spotted. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how it is spot it can be spotted and how you can also take advantage of it. Okay, so now if you are trading, okay, you always find out that you were taught to always put your stop loss above high. So you always taught to put your stop loss above highs like this. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. This is a high here, so you can always talk you're always taught to put your stop loss above high and what swing lows. Okay, swing highs and swing lows. This is a high right here. Okay, this is a high right here. This is a swing high, and you can see exactly what happened. This particular traders got stopped out. So let me show you guys another example. Let's look at this particular place here. So you can see exactly what happened. Even for this swing low here, they got stopped out. Hope you are seeing, and exactly what happened when they got stopped out. The market began to go in the other direction. I hope you can see the move that the market gave out right here. So now I'm going to show you guys exactly how swing lows and swing highs are being taken out. I'll be showing you guys clear example so that you can actually know what to be doing in the market, because most people believe that putting stop loss above swing highs and below swing lows can make them stay consistent and profitable in the market. Now that is not the case. Okay, the case is actually that you should know what you are doing. You should follow these moves, so you will be taking advantage of whenever the market is coming down like this. You'll be looking for trades to buy, to sell. I mean, whenever you see the market moving up after taking out swing lows, you'll be looking for opportunities to what buy. So I want you to understand that, and I'm going to make sure that I do that before the end of this video. Now let's start taking a look at the examples and how it is happening. Okay, liquidity right here. Let me go ahead and identify this for you. Okay, so the liquidity right here, as you can see, there is liquidity right here. Now let's extend this chart. Let's close it and see what is happening. You can see that right now the market is actually coming back to take out this very place. Okay, so you can see that the market is coming back to take out this very place. Now, what was I trying to teach you guys? I told you guys that whenever you want to trade, you should always make sure that you are following these big institutions trying to come back and take out liquidity. You need to first, whenever you come to the chart, you need to first mark out where there are liquidities. Hope you understand me. You need to mark out where there are liquidities and where price can possibly come back to. Hope you understand me. And if you know the direction that the market can be heading to in a short while, maybe you spot a change of character like this, you know that yes, now the market is actually coming back to take out this high. Hope you understand me. So you add that now to the concept of your trading. So if you actually know that the market is coming back to take out this high and you started looking for opportunities right here, okay, if you started looking for opportunities right here and then you were able to catch a move, you actually make a what good trade by following the big institution back to this very liquidity what right here. So you follow them and also sweep out this liquidity. This is very important. You can also see a big high right here that the market has already come back to clean. Hope you understand me. The market has come back and sweep this big high already. The market has already swept this high. So make sure that these things you're actually watching on this video today will change the way you trade. Okay, this is actually why you have been losing in the market, because the market is always, they are always sweeping you. You are still among that 99% that are being swept, okay, that are not following the big guys. Hope you understand. So now if you have know about this liquidity sweep and the rest, you should be able to know how the market is operating and how everything is done. Now you can see like this should be equal lows. Okay, you can see equal lows. Don't be surprised that in the nearest future the market will come back to take out this equal low, okay, just as it is doing to this equal highs here. So you just need to understand how the game is played so that you actually be catching out big trade together. Hope you understand me. So that you can actually be catching out this big trade together. And this is how they actually work. Let me show you another example. This is a big high. This is a peak high right here, and you can see that the market actually come back to take out this peak high too. So I just hope you understand. Let me give you guys another example. This is another one. You can see that the market still come back to take it out. The market still come back to take it out, and you can see it right here with just a very little weak candle. It took it out. So even here, I know that the market will still take it out. So all these liquidities you are seeing, all of them, the market will come back to take them out. I hope you have seen what is happening. It is always coming back to take out this high. So all you just have to do is spot when the market is like kind of reversing. Once you know that yes, it is trying to reverse, reverse, then okay, you're actually going to know that yes, this is time for me to be looking for a buy or trade. It's time for me to be looking for buy positions, not sell anymore. It's time for me to be looking for sell if it is going towards the opposite direction. It's time for me to be looking for sells, not a buy position. So that is exactly why you need to know how to spot liquidity. So I'll show you guys exactly how to trade it now. So just so that you know, okay, liquidity is not going to be always sitting on equal highs and equal lows, okay? So when I mean equal highs and equal lows, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I'm saying now on the screen, okay? So liquidity won't be sitting just only on these places. Liquidity can also be on peak highs and peak lows, just like this. Hope you are seeing. So that is the example I'll be showing you guys today. So if you notice, there are so many traders that we are trading right from this very point, and there's a worst case scenario right here. You can see that so many people must have entered a trade from here, and what happened? Take a look at what happened. They got stopped out with just a week. Okay, so even if others might have taken this position again just from this week here, trying to sell downward, you can see what actually happened. They got stopped out. So just from this trade here, I'm already seeing a position I would enter if I was trading. Okay, hope you understand me. I already see a position I'm going to enter if I was trading. Okay, so if you are trading with this is SMC strategy, this should be our break of structure, and now the origin that caused the break of structure is actually going to be this particular candle right here, because it is the last candle before the market reacted and cleared out liquidity. So what did the market do after that? You can see that it made somewhat, it made some, I think this is where maybe most people might have entered for trade continuation pattern, and you can see that it came back to clear that liquidity, right? And then after tapping into our zone, hope you understand me, after tapping into our zone, you can see exactly what it did with just a week here. So stop loss will be below this week right here, just below this week right here. So you can see what happened. Your stop loss will be below this week right here. So if you are marking out, you just mark out. Okay, so I hope you guys understand now. I hope you guys understand how you take advantage of liquidity. I'll be explaining what really happened in this trade here. So you can see what happened. You can see what happened, right? So your stop loss is going to just be a little bit, I think it should be a little bit below here. You should be entering the trade just right here. Okay, so your stop loss should be a little bit below. Okay, so your stop loss just be a little bit below, and you will just be taking your profit at this very high here. So you see that this was a 1 to 9 weeks reward trade. So this is a very clean example of how you can use SMC strategies to trade. Now what happened in this particular trade? You can actually see that there are equal highs, there are equal highs and equal lows here. Hope you understand me. And what did the market actually do? It took out these highs. Okay, there is a peak high right here that caused the break of structure. The market took out that peak high too. So this is exactly what I'm trying to explain to you guys, that for you to catch a trade, you must follow these moves. Now what was the market aiming at when it came back to this very point? It was aiming at clearing out all these liquidities, because so many people must have trade. They want to trade as like trend continuation pattern. Hope you understand me. There will be so many people that has entered a trade from this very particular angle here for a trade continuation pattern. So you can see what the market actually did to them. It cleared them out. Hope you understand me. It cleared them out. Even this low will be taken out. So it cleared them out. Okay, so now you need to see and identify a what peak high, or you need to see equal highs. I can actually call this equal highs, but it's not actually an equal highs. Okay, so the market has already taken out this high here. Hope you understand me. I hope you are seeing what I'm trying to elaborate here. You need to see how these people move. The market have taken out this high, yeah, this big high, so forming another new high, which is actually this high here. Hope you understand me. It has formed another high. So the market formed another high, and you are going to notice that it was actually coming back to take out this. Okay, it was actually coming back to take out this high right here. Let me show you guys the high I'm talking about. It was actually coming back to take out this particular high here. So what did the market do? It just run away straight up. Okay, it ran away straight up, take out this high. I hope you are seeing what really happened there. So after the market has taken out that high, let's watch out what happened next. Okay, so you can see that the market actually kept on selling up, selling up, selling up, and selling up. Hope you understand me. This is exactly how you should be following the trend. Okay, this is exactly how you should be following these big institutions for you to be able to get your trades right. Okay, so you can actually see what they did in this very section here. Hope you understand me. And trust me when I say that in the near future that it might come back to take out even this, even this. So liquidity is always going to be formed, and this there will always be sweep of liquidity. That is one thing you need to know. All you just have to do is to trade in the right direction.